Welcome back to another body shop tour. I am Dylan here, Winter Park Paint and Collision, the badass body shop. Go check us out on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that stuff. Let me get the obvious stuff out of the way. Yes, I need a haircut. 2, my tongue is red. Don't ask. So, here we are with a little update. If you follow along with Badass Body Shop on our YouTube channel, WP Paint, you will see these cars actually being built. Really cool. I got a lot of stuff of the Skylark, got a lot of stuff of the Mustang, step-by-step build videos of, I just kicked an alternator, step-by-step videos of these cars being built. It's awesome. You get little updates with this, but get a bigger, more in-depth update and actually get to see them being worked on. So, this corner of the shop hasn't changed much. Still got the Porsche, still got the Sunliner, still got the 55. The 55 actually looks a little cleaner. I didn't know we actually made clean things around here. I thought it was all just covered in dust all the time. Just kidding, we deliver cars clean. We got the Healy here. Looks like we got a roof for a Land Rover Defender. I don't think they're called roofs. They're called something different, some British thing. I don't know. The Skylark here, different from when you saw it last, similar to when I saw it last. Bodywork has been done. The paint has been razored off. We're going over the little areas of it right now where it needs to be worked on. The roof has had some serious progress to it. As you can see, the Mustang and the Cougar are still here. The Mustang's on top of the Cougar. We'll cover all of that in Badass Body Shop, the Winter Park Paint channel. Go check that out. We got a Defender here. As we do, we have a lot of Defender stuff, so if you like that, head on over, again, Winter Park Paint channel. Go subscribe to that. Like us on Facebook, Twitter, follow us on Instagram, all that stuff. Did I mention the Winter Park Paint channel for Badass Body Shop? Oh, check this thing out. This is a custom, hand-built center console that's going to be going inside the 55. It's going to be badass. This is the Badass Body Shop. The Badass Body Shop is badass, and you will be badass if you subscribe, because I don't know if you saw it, but we made an awesome Christmas video where we said Merry Christmas to everyone from our family to yours. We had Santa, we had some awesome Mustangs, that one, and a really gorgeous 1969 fastback. Oh, it was gorgeous. Almost as gorgeous as the Cougar. Actually, it was nicer. It was nicer. But yeah, go subscribe. Quick update, as I do. Whenever I'm here, I'm going to give you guys an update. That's what we got going on. Check us out. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay badass if you go over there, and I'll see you on the next video if you stay in here. Peace out.